Hey guys, don't look at the thing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a first impressions with the Wet n Wild foundation and a second impressions with the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette that I got back in Christmas when my mom and sister were visiting. I still have a stocking right there and some more Christmas decor still sitting around because I'm just too lazy to fucking put it up. Also, I have my Harry Potter painting that I have over here. Oh, look, there's another stocking too. But check out this painting I did a while back. I love Harry Potter. And I kind of like this. It looks like he has a booger right here, but whatever. I kind of just did a little paint splatter at the end of it. So yeah, this video that I'm filming right now, I had forgotten to do an intro for the tutorial I'm about to do. Well, I guess it's really not a tutorial, it's more of just like an impressions video. This video is shot like 2 weeks afterwards because, you know, I'm horrible at uploading content. I have like 6 videos that I still need to edit and put up, and I also have more footage back when I was living at Dad's, that, like back in March of last year. So if you want me to go through all those and edit them, you know, leave me a comment down below to let me know that I should do that, or if I should just not waste my time and just do new content right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. Alright, after my face is cleansed, I'm using Pond's moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer you would like. I just have this because it's laying around the house. If you have any suggestions of moisturizers you use, you can let me know. We are using this Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. You just slide it out like this. Very nice packaging. Beautiful colors. They're all shimmery and glittery. Voila. Ooh, go Power Rangers. I'm using this Master Prime primer for around my face. I heard you don't even really have to use a primer. It doesn't really matter. Next, I'm using this Neutrogena Shine Control Primer for my T-zone because I get oily in those areas, and this kind of mattifies that throughout the day. For foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I'm in Buff Beige, which is not really my color. I usually go a little darker. Comes with a little spatula. I almost forgot. I like to use this Blush Cream by Flower. It's like a peachy salmon color. I like to put that underneath my eyes because I have a lot of blueness under there, and this cancels out the blue. And I also put it on my top lids too because there's some very nasty veins that I have up there too. Oh, there's an eye booger up there. I'm gonna get in a second though. There we go, after we're all color corrected. Next, I'm gonna take this foundation and just put it all over my face. And it smells like paint. It's not a very pleasant smell. I'm using this BS Mall flathead brush. You can get a package of like 15 now for like $10 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. And I'm just going to pat this around my entire face. Yeah, you see it's not my shade. It's more on the yellow side and darker. Make sure to get it in your ears, especially me because I have red ears all the time. Once we have that all blended out, we're going on to the next step, shaking up my concealer. Tap, tap, tap. Shit is all crusty. This is a Master Conceal by Maybelline. Really, really good concealer. I think this is the shade Fair, or I'll put in, you know, a little description box. Anyway, I take a damp beauty blender to blend everything out underneath my eyes and on the top lid too, because I'm using this as like a primer for the eyeshadow. And I really don't need it for my forehead because it's so big anyway, but I just do it anyway. So this is what it looks like after everything's blended out. You could just put powder on and just have this look. Oh, I'm into the music playing in the background. Nappy hair. We gonna deal with it. To set the face, I'm using Master Fix by Maybelline. It is a very loose powder, and I'm using this Wet n Wild brush. It's got a weird shape to it. I think it's more for contouring, but the shape goes in to the, how am I trying to say this? It fits under my eyes really well. And just pack that shit under there and on the top lid. And I'm going to put it in the creases of my forehead and on the sides of my nose too. And voila, now we're all set in place. Nice blurred effect. For the first shade I'm going to use, it is called Angel Fire, and I'm using another Wet n Wild brush and just packing the shit, really packing the shit out of it. I didn't realize how much was actually on it. It's a lighter shade, so I couldn't really tell. Anyway, I'm just putting this all over my lid. Can't really tell because it's so light. And I use a whole bunch of different techniques like the window wiper swishes and then just packing it in, stabbing it in my eye. Just whatever I can do. This is my first eye look, so bear with me on this. And then after we have that in, this is what it looks like, just shininess. I'm using another Wet n Wild brush. It's not going to get into focus because my camera was acting up at the time. Damn it. But I'm using After Party. It's this very red, deep red color, and I'm going to put it into the outer corner of my eye. And just using the same wiping motion, and just packing that shit in. I say that a lot. And I think I dipped into it a few more times to get a more vibrant red color. And I'm just going to do it onto the other eye as well. Same motions. I could have just skipped, but whatever. Now we're kind of going for this grunge look. Very like I haven't slept in weeks or like I'm on heroin. This is a My Chemical Romance look, like I'm about to go to the concert. Pretty cool. Not really. Next I'm using this other brush by Royal and Langnickel. And I'm going to use Dive. It's this very pretty blue color. And it doesn't really show up the first time I do it, so I pack it again, make it a little darker. And just using those same window wiper motions. And the same on the other side too. And now we're kind of getting this 4th of July look, which, you know, this is supposed to be a Valentine's Day look, but whatever. We're just going to keep going with it. Yep, just keep putting more on. Looking like a drag queen. I'm going to take that one that I used to pack the red and blend the blue and red together to make it more seamless. And it kind of puts a little purple in the middle. It's kind of cute. And here we have it so far. I could have just left it at this and it would have looked cute. I'm going in with another Wet n Wild brush. These are only $1, by the way. I'm using Metalhead underneath my waterline. And I had to pack into it a few more times because the purple didn't show up too much. Or maybe it's just the type of brush that I use, you know. That's more of like a packing brush, I think, for maybe your top eyelid or in the corners near your, whatever it's called, your tear area. That looks pretty cool. I like the purple. I'm going back in with that brush that I used for the red to make it a more dark red purplish color. More grungy look. Oh. And I'm blending the top even more. So here we go with this look. Now I'm using, I don't know what that shade is, hold on. It's called a Coup Stick. It's like a champagne, glittery color. It's really pretty. Look at that. Ooh, oh, my stomach's growling, I'm hungry. Packing on to the other eyelid. And voila, next I'm going in with Glory. It's this really pretty gold color, putting it into the inner corners of my eyes to give it a little pop. Here's a close-up because I thought I just needed to do that and I really shouldn't have. Trying to look all sexy even though I'm not. Yeah, you look like a clown. Oh my god. It's horrible. Oh, it got on your fingers. Wait, oh, you're gonna swatch it on your hand. Now I'm gonna go in with eyeliner. And I've gotten really good at putting eyeliner on. I don't cry anymore when I do it. And I get it right up in the waterline. You really don't even have to use, I could have done like a white eyeliner underneath, but I only have black, so that's what I'm using. And that was a big mistake trying to put it on top. I really should have had like a liquid eyeliner for this part. But this is all I had, so I had to work with it. And now I'm putting even more on the bottom because I noticed that the top looked like shit, so I'm trying to distract it and put it on the bottom more. And putting even more on, and now I'm just looking like a hot mess. Oh, Lord. For mascara, it's a Maybelline Colossal Volume, I think. It's the only mascara I have. It's really good, actually, except I don't know how to apply it too well. I just use like the blinking motion so I don't stab my eye, and then, you know, back and forth motions on the bottom to coat them real nicely. But they're going all over the place. Looks like, you know, some spider legs just going all over the place. But it's kind of cute. And then I'm going to go in with this Brow Stylist Plumper by L'Oreal. Love this stuff. It's just a gel that basically makes your hair go in the same direction so they don't look all crazy and bushy, even though they are. I'm going back in with the Coup Stick and trying to use it as a highlighter, even though it is not a highlighter, and you can't even tell that I put it on, but I do it anyway because I thought I was cool, but I'm not. And this is the final look. It actually doesn't look too bad. I'm trying to be all seductive like I'm Manny MUA, but I am not. And I'm going to end this voiceover because I'm about to pause the music. Okay, I paused my music so I can talk to you now. This was basically a review on first impressions with the Wet n Wild foundation, and I must say, it has done really well. And this is also, it's a second impressions of my Urban Decay palette that I have, which I think is amazing. I mean, this camera does not do justice as far as what I'm seeing in real life, but I think it's pretty. I know it's like a little, you know, like 4th of July thing, but this could be a Valentine's Day type of look, maybe. If you're single and don't care of what your man thinks that you look like. So that's what this one is. This is, I don't give a fuck what my man thinks. I want to be pretty, and I'm here, and I'm queer, motherfucker. This is difficult. You swap back around. Woo! I'm lightheaded now. I hope everyone had a brilliant Singles Awareness Day, because I did. I sat here with my dog Tank. Come here, boy. Come here. Come up here. I chilled today with my boy Tank on Valentine's Day. This is my Valentine. He's my one and my only. I love him so much. Yes, and he loves his little gay daddy who likes to wear makeup and bullshit. He doesn't judge me, and no one should judge you if you wear makeup. Fucking wear makeup, it does not matter. We're in 2018, and if they care, well, fuck them. Screw them, isn't that right, Tank? Yes, screw them. No one cares what you wear. As long as you care, that's all that matters. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of eyeshadow stuff, considering this is my first one and I will get better as time comes on. But if you would like to see more videos, my friend Bonnie is here and Tank is going to go crazy. But if you want to see more videos, leave me comments down below. Shut your mouth. I'm trying to finish this video. Leave me comments down below if you want to see more videos like this. And I will see you guys next time. My name is Jake Austin. Bye-bye. Shut your mouth.